Hey guys, how are you? In this video, we are going to solve the lead code daily problem, and today's problem is actually very easy, and I think most of you will be able to solve it, but just for your help if required, let me tell you how we can solve this problem. The problem is three consecutive odds. In the problem, we are given an integer array and we need to return true if in the array we have three consecutive odd numbers, and if we do not have three consecutive odd numbers in the array, we need to return false. For example, the first example is 2, 6, 4, 1. This is your array, and there are no three consecutive odd numbers. Like we have even, and then one odd number. We do not have three consecutive odd numbers, so the output is false. In the example 2, we have odd, then we have even, and then we again have an odd number. Now you need to be sure that the odd numbers should be consecutive, right? You don't need to count 1 and 3 because they are not consecutive. So we got an odd number, then even, then again we got one odd number, then we got an even number. Now we got one odd, two odd numbers, and three odd numbers. We got three consecutive odd numbers, so we can return true. So the moment we are getting three consecutive odd numbers, we can directly return true. And if we do not find any such combination, we need to return false. So basically consecutive means one after another. So you have 1, 2 and 3. It should be continuous, right? So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to create a variable c is equal to 0. We are going to count how many continuous consecutive numbers we are finding which is odd. So c is equal to 0 for now. Now let's run a loop in the array. And first of all, we are going to check if the current number is odd or not. So if you mod the number with 2 and if the output is 1, then the number is odd, right? So in this case, we are going to say c plus equal to 1. We are going to count one more odd number. But in any case, if we found that the number is even, then we need to reset our c equal to 0 because we need to find the consecutive numbers only, right? So for example, we count this as 1 and then here we found a 2, right? Which is even. So we need to reset our number c equal to 0 because we need consecutive numbers, right? So 1 will not be the part of your answer. And now after this if and else, you need to add one more condition that if c is equal to 3, it means you found three consecutive odd numbers. In this case, you can return true. And if you are out of the loop without returning true, it means we didn't find any such combination or any such continuous three consecutive odd numbers. So we need to return false. That will be the complete solution for this problem. And when you submit this, you will find that this is the best solution you can get for this particular problem. And the problem is actually very simple. So we do not need to have a lot of logic or a lot of thought process in this. It's a very simple problem. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like the explanation of the problem and the solution as well, then make sure that you hit that like button. And we are very close to 600 subscribers, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel and make it 600. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching this video, guys.